Let's suppose your company owns branch offices or subsidiaries in different locations or even countries around the world. In a manufacturing business, all of these individual plants procure and produce their own materials. They are eventually kept in stock and recorded. With the digital shared service solution adjusted to the standards of SOX compliance, a central repository of information on materials can be created. It contains descriptions of key data on all the materials that an enterprise has on record for a certain amount of time. This database can be called up at any time from any connected device via the digital infrastructure of the MDM Enterprise Cloud. Employees can simply update all news and changes made on recorded materials digitally. A list of key data that is part of the Material Master database can contain information on purchasing, engineering, storage, forecasting, and accounting. Purchasing in turn, for example, contains such data as the purchasing group responsible for a material, over and under delivery tolerances, and the order unit. Engineering contains design data like drawings, dimensions, and specifications, and so on. The material data is visibly organized in hierarchical fashion. In addition to the vertical organization of data, a horizontal branch defines client, plant, and storage location of every material. This structure facilitates organization of material-related information and prevents redundant storage, especially when material is stored in more than one location or used in more than one plant. The table of authority is intended to prevent unauthorized users from changing certain material master records. Roles are defined and assigned to every person that operates within the borders of the digital infrastructure. Buyers, for example, can view all data for a material, but are usually only allowed to change purchasing data. Material planners or inventory controllers may only be allowed to change the data directly related to materials planning and controlling. Permits are issued in-house or across the group by the relevant role holders, for example the plant managers or CFOs. MDM Enterprise in the Cloud helps with specifically developed pre-programmed role structures. These trigger automatisms between role holders and plants and tie up plant internal and external IT tools. Ultimately, the structured recording and storage of all material master data in a corporate environment leads to efficient and transparent business transactions. The outcome? Better economic results and more trust between your company and its customers.